is me, Rayan. And this is Sasha. Hi. We are going to unbox Lucifer the End. Let's get started. So, before we get started, we are going to talk over Lucifer, okay? This is Lane. He looks all greedy, as you all know, because he's very angry at you in episode 36. And the main thing is Lucifer. It looks all cool with its gimmicks and all. It's like really cool. It's upgraded and all. But now let's look at the back. So there is the Lucifer chip. It's metal there, and there's its limit break ring, and there is its chassis. Not really a chassis, I see. Well, it's not really a single or double chassis, so yeah. And here is the drift driver. And you can see Lucifer like beating up Spiral Longness. So now I am going to unbox this bad boy. It has some limit break abilities, you know. I'm going to do another unboxing of the most popular limit break bait, you know. That's really popular. So as you see in this box, it is not really letting me open it. Okay. Here is Lucifer. Okay, it's not really working out well. So here it is. There is the sheet, instructions, and stickers. But this is the main attraction, Lucifer. I really like that they made a limit break ability pieces. It looks all nice now. Look at the Lucifer, it moves. That's its limit break ability. If you were able to take this apart, you would have gotten 3 random pieces. I'm going to put it back now, okay? Okay, it's so annoying. And next here is the disc. It works for left and right, and we did not get the rare one. Yes, there is a rare one, but the disc, it doesn't really matter about power. Okay, it works for right spin and left spin, but only for some like limit break bays. Here is the driver. It's like its original one, but it's all bunky. Yes, it has a massive amount of defense. Okay? And all of that combined is making Lucifer right here, okay? And also we're going to unbox the other instructions and stuff. We don't really need the instructions, so it can leave. Okay? It's right here, okay? So right there, that's the Lucifer chip and all. But I'm wondering what the mystery bay might be. It looks really cool. I think it's actually a Doom Sizer, because lately I heard people are making up stories that there's going to be a new Doom Sizer. So in it, I think there's a Doom Sizer. It has to be Doom Sizer. Okay? Oh, look! You can make customs right there. And the mystery bait is Doom Sizer. They are releasing a Doom Sizer. Yes, they're Japanese app and all. Okay. I am not going to put on the stickers, but this is Lucifer. My sister is going to ask some questions. shy to say hello. And now we are going to talk. Do you have any questions about this Lucifer?
Why do there have to be so much layers?
It's not really a layer, but it's probably because you think there's like 3 pieces on here, don't you?
Yeah, but why?
Why isn't like Takaro told me really wants the spade to be gimmicky for its limit break to happen.
Okay.
So do you have any more questions about this?
No.
That's it, folks. This is me, Ryan, and we are done with the video. In part 2, we are going to battle with Lucifer. Bye, guys.